Hello. And I just want to do a quick question. Should I say not a quick question, but I want to do a quick video, real quick video. I want to ask some questions and I want to see what your replies are. If you can put your comments down at the bottom and let me know what you think about what I've listened to ask. What do you think about me doing some Q&As? Some Q&As. Give me some suggestions in the comment box below on Q&As. I'm thinking about doing some more vlogs of day in the life of besides my build. To be honest with you, right now I am headed to work. And I want to be more involved with the channel and with you guys, and have more uploads and daily vlogs and stuff like that, and trying to figure out what to vlog about besides my car and my projects and stuff like that, and everything I have excuse me, planned for this channel. So if you can give me your comments below on what you would like to see, what you would like to hear. Even before I get my build done, there are certain things I can still do. I am driving I do have another Honda that I'm driving right now, but at the same time, it's not, it doesn't have any modifications on it. It's just a daily driver. I'm really trying to park this one and keep the miles low. That was my whole routine when I purchased the car. That was my intention, not routine. It was my intention, should I say, to drive this one, get the one that I'm fixing right now fixed, and not really like make it a daily, but make it to where I can, if all is possible, if it's just me, I can drive it, and stuff like that. But enough of me rambling. I'm just trying to find out what you guys would like to see, what you guys would like to hear, and what you would like to like for me to do, if on the whole Q&A and different things. Like I said, I'm asking you guys. I don't have that many subscribers right now, so I'm thinking of doing like a special thing. If I get say for instance I get 15 more subscribers, then I'll do a special about me. You can ask questions to get to know me better, and then go on from there. But enough of me rambling. Like I said, that was just some questions I had. I am going to cut this video here, and please like, subscribe, share, comment, and we'll see you on the other side.